Hello, my name is Oren from CompuMatter. Today I'm going to show you 3 task manager tricks that will make your use of Windows a little bit smoother and easier to use. First of all, on your keyboard, you're going to want to press Control Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. It might prompt you to say yes or no. To learn more about a program, I'm going to right-click on it. There's a Search Online button I can press here to research the program that I'm unfamiliar with. I'll close out of this one. There's another program I have here that I'd like to know more about. I'll right-click and hit Search Online. This is a great tool for looking up things that you're uncertain is malicious or something that you might have downloaded and installed a long time back. Now the More Details tab right here will bring you to a place where you can get to startup tasks. These are tasks that open at the beginning of every session you have with your computer after a reboot, shutdown. And most of these, like Microsoft Edge enabled by default, is not really necessary to launch on boot. Some of these need to be enabled in order to maintain updates, but others are less necessary. The Disable and Enable button here at the bottom right will let you customize things that you don't need to launch on startup. I'd recommend leaving updates though. On Windows 11, it'll look a little bit different, but the way to open it is still the same. Press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard. From here, I can see the programs I have open, and I can right-click on them as well. This gives me some options, but most importantly, I can click the Search Online button to search this particular program and learn more about what is running on my computer. From here, there's a bit of a difference between the Startup Apps tab, and you might only see these symbols on the side. If you don't see the text, there's 3 lines up top that you can click to make it bigger. But you're going to want to click on this with the speedometer. This allows you to view what programs are automatically launching on boot. Click on them, then click on the 3 dots and disable whatever you do not need. Once again, I'd recommend leaving things that you're unsure of, like security, health, sys tray, things like that. That's all for this tips and tricks video. I hope you learned something new about this, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.